Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And let's see what we're making today. Today we're going to do tilapia, and I found this tilapia at the frozen food section at Trader Joe's. It comes frozen, and all I did is I let it set out in the refrigerator overnight so it's easier and quicker to cook for you. I'm not reinventing the wheel here. I'm just showing you a lot of great shortcuts so that you can be more efficient with your time and enjoy the things you like to do. And a lot of times I'll walk around the grocery store and I'll see something that'll be my inspiration for the meal, because I don't know what I'm going to make from day to day. And this was the inspiration today. These wonderful vegetables, which you see here, these Asian vegetables, it tells you it'll take 15 minutes to saute. So who has 15 minutes to cook? We like to cook things in 5 minutes. So what we're going to do is we put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes with a microwave safe lid on it, and they're steamed and they're perfect to go. We're going to turn our stove on, and then we're just going to spray the pan with a little bit of olive oil spray, and we're going to add the vegetables. This is still a little hot. Take this and just add all the vegetables. I don't care, there's a little bit of water in there, it's fine. And then all we're going to do is the vegetables are already soft. You don't have to wait 15 minutes. We're going to take our frozen tilapias that are now defrosted. We're going to lay them right on top of the vegetables. The vegetables serve 6, but I really don't think it looks like 6 servings in here. It looks more like 3, and the fish are 3 servings, so it'll be perfect. All we're going to do then is top it off with this soyaki. So it's like a soy teriyaki sauce. Shake it up really well because the sesame seeds tend to clog up the top if you don't. And we're just going to do about a couple tablespoons per serving. That's it. And we're going to cover it up, let it steam and cook the fish through. This fish will cook through in about 4 or 5 minutes. Done. Dinner is served. You didn't really make any mess. Fast, easy. Stay tuned each week for a new nutritious, delicious meal that we can cook together on YouTube. Follow our Instagram, where you will see a finished picture of this dinner. Gotta follow my Instagram to catch that picture. Catch all the past recipes on mindens.com, which is my website, where you'll get the nutritional information and the cost per serving. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure you subscribe. Real easy, just hit the button below and tell all your friends to subscribe so we can get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.